When you drive through those gates, through a national cemetery, and you see the manicured grass and the beautiful headstones, the rolling hills, it's just awe-inspiring. Every national cemetery is special. So Dallas-Fort Worth, like I said, we do serve a 460,000 veteran population in northern Texas. We are very busy with interments. We're also very special in that we have 62 memorial monuments that we have on a memorial walkway, and those are monuments that assorted veteran service organizations have donated. When I look around, and I see all the veterans that have gone before me, and that, I just respect them for giving of their service and their life for me and my family. There is so much rich history in any national cemetery. We are very, very blessed. Every gravesite has a story to tell. And what's important here is that our educators are able to not only research and to garner that information, but to also share it with their students, to impart the history and the importance of service to our country, something that's bigger than ourselves that we can be a part of. What better way than come to a national cemetery to learn about these veterans? So this is Colonel Stone, and he was a first lieutenant back then. His platoon were holding an area, and then it was overrun by like 800 plus Chinese army. He was wounded up to 3 times, and he continued to organize the attack and still fought back despite the hail of fire. So Mr. William Blair Jr., he actually was a pitcher for the Negro Leagues, and he actually played for several teams. But get this, he served in World War II in the United States Army, and he became the youngest African American to serve as a first sergeant in the Army during World War II. Sergeant Garcia was served in Vietnam. Sergeant Garcia took it upon himself to charge not 1 but 2 machine gun nests and to destroy the machine guns with grenades and rifles, and he actually he did that. Thereby he saved a lot of his comrades as well too, and protected them. Until you have experienced the National Cemetery, there's nothing quite like it. There's a sereneness, there's a different atmosphere in the National Cemetery. If I had one thing to say to veterans and educators, spread the word. Every gravesite has a story to tell.